Yo, I'm Jew, man. FNFNT. Take off.
I be on my grind. I be chasing paper. I be in the field trying to stack the fucking meal, screaming fuck all of my haters. Why they had to kill my dog? He was getting to this paper. Free all of my niggas trying to take care of these kids, let them niggas get this paper. Why you niggas hate on us? What would you do for the paper? Would you do a little voodoo for the paper? Would you switch up on your crew for the paper? Would you fucking do? Why you niggas hating on us? I heard that nigga raw for that paper. I heard that nigga got a job for that paper. I heard that bitch slaw for that paper. I heard that nigga do fraud.